one out. Today's topic is odd one out. So ये जो टॉपिक है ना, एक टॉपिक में हम लोगों को वो जो odd है, odd number that you have to identify actually. Now in this chapter there is no logic. Actually there is no logic. So the rule can be anything. You have to identify the logic and find out the odd one. Now for the first question, how many numbers are there? 3, 5, 11, 14, 17, 21. How many numbers are there? 6 numbers are there. You have to identify the odd number. Now 6 numbers are there. Only one is odd number. One number is odd. Now remaining 5 numbers will be same. एक नंबर ऑड है और जो 5 नंबर और जो 5 नंबर है वो सेम है. Now if you look at the numbers, then 3, 5, 11, 14, 17, 21. All the numbers are odd. Only this 14 is an even number, so 14 is the odd one. Okay. Next, question number 2. 8, 27, 64, 100, 125, 216, 343. Now 8 means 2 cube, 27 3 cube, 64 4 cube, 125 5 cube, 216 6 cube, 343 7 cube. Only the 100 is 10 square. So all the number are in cube format. Only 100 is in square. So 100 is the odd one. Next, question number 3. 10, 25, 45, 54, 60, 75, 80. Now all the numbers are multiple of 5. All the numbers are multiple of 5 except 54. So 54 is the odd one. Now ये जो चैप्टर है ना, इसमें कुछ लॉजिक देंगे. The logic can be anything. So if you practice more, then you can understand how many types of logic can be there. Next question, question number 4. 396. Now look at this number. 396. 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 how much? That is 9. That is the middle number. Again 462. 4 plus 2. That is 6. 6 is the middle number. 572. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 is the middle number. But 427. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 is not the middle number, so that is the odd one. So the answer is 427. Remaining numbers 6 plus 1, 7. 7 is the middle number. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 is the middle number. So the odd one is 427. Okay. Next, question number 5. Question number 5. 6, 9, 15, 21, 24, 28, 30. So all are 6, 9, 15, 21, 24, 30. All are multiple of 3. All are multiple of 3 except 28. So 28 is the answer. All are multiple of 3 except 28. So 28 is the odd one. Okay. So this is the type where you have to identify the odd number. So remaining numbers are alike, same. Only one number is not same with the other one. So that you have to identify. Okay. So next type is logical rearrangement. ये जो लॉजिकल रीअरेंजमेंट है इसमें you have to arrange the words. Some words are given, 5 or 6 or 4 or 5 words are given. You have to arrange the word in a meaningful sequence. हम लोगों को ये जो वर्ड है ना इसको हमको अरेंज करना पड़ेगा कुछ लॉजिकल सीक्वेंस में. So that logical sequence you have to identify and answer from the given options. Now question number 1. The words are key, door, lock, room, switch on. So the logical sequence, that means what can be the sequence? First, the options are given. First key, then using that key you can open the lock. After opening the lock you can open the door. After opening the door you can enter into a room. After entering into a room you can switch on the light or fan. Okay, so these are the words given. The logical sequence means you have to arrange the words in a meaningful sequence. So first key, so key means number 1, then lock means number 3. So this is the answer. Then number 2 is door, then number 4, then number 5. So the answer is option C. Because first you have to use the key to open the lock. After opening the lock you can open the door. After opening the door you can enter into the room. After entering into the room you can switch on the light or fan. Okay, next question number 2. The words are word, paragraph, sentence, letters, phrase. So same, you have to identify the meaningful sequence. So first is letters. Group of letters means words. Group of word means phrase. Group of phrase means sentence. Group of sentence means paragraph. So the answer is this one. Because some first word letter, so 4 is the first one, letter. Then group of letter means word, that is number 1. So 4 1. Group of word means phrase. So number 5. The group of phrase means sentence. Then number 3. Group of sentence means paragraph. That is number 2. So the sequence is 4 1 5 3 2. Option Delhi. Okay. Next. Question number 3. The words are police, punishment, crime, judge, judgment. So first you have to do the crime. Then police is there. After that judge is there. Then judge will give judgment. Then only you will get punished. Judge will give judgment and then punishment is there. So the answer is option D. First crime means 3, then police means 1, then judge means 4, then judgment means 5, then punishment means 2. Okay. Next one. Family, community, member, locality, country. So in this problem, you have to arrange this one in logical sequence. So first one is member, that is 3. Now group of members means family, that is number 1. Group of family means community, that is number 2. Group of community means locality, that is number 4. And group of locality means country, that is number 5. So answer is 3 1 2 4 5. Option A is the answer. Okay. Next, the words are poverty, population, death, unemployment, disease. So first, population increasing is there. If population increases, then unemployment is there because the population is increased. So unemployment is there because the job is limited. Number of jobs are limited. So as population increases, so unemployment will increase. If unemployment increases, then poverty is there. If poverty is there, then disease will be there. If disease is there, after that death is there. So population means number 2, unemployment means number 4, then poverty means number 1, then disease 5, and death is 3. So the answer is 2 4 1 5 3. 2 4 1 5 3. So the answer is option C. Okay. So these are the 2 chapters that we have done. Now one more chapter is there, that is figure counting. Now in case of figure counting, actually 3 types of figure countings are there. One is rectangle based, Suppose this is a rectangle. So this is 1, 2 and 3 and this is 1, 2 and 3. Just number the row and column. So this is 1, 2, 3, this is 1, 2, 3. Now the question is this one, how many rectangles are there? If this is the diagram, you have to find out how many rectangles are there. कितने rectangle है, कितने rectangle है, you have to count actually. So the method is this one, you have to just add the row and column. First numbering the row and column, then you have to add. So 1 plus 2 plus 3, that is 6, 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6. Then add this one, 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6. Now just multiply. 6 into 6, 36. So 36 rectangles are there. That is the answer. So when you have to find out the number of rectangles, the method is first numbering the row and column, then add the row column and then multiply. Okay. Next type, square counting. In case of square, suppose this is a square. Now the question is how many square are there? So 1, 2, 3. Then again numbering 1, 2, 3. Same. You have to add this one, but after squaring. The method is different. जो मेथड है वो रेक्टेंगल से थोड़ा अलग है. क्या है? You have to just square करना पड़ेगा. Then you have to add. So first numbering this one 1, 2, 3. Then just do the square and add. So 1 square means 1, 2 square means 4, 3 square means 9. So 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 9, that is 14. So how many square are there in this figure? The answer is 14. So this is the method of figure counting when square counting is there. Okay. So in case of figure counting, one more thing is there, that is triangle. Now suppose this is the diagram. Now the question is how many triangles are there? कितने triangles are इस diagram पर? Now when you have to count the number of triangles, first you have to identify the smaller figure by which the larger figure can be drawn. हम लोगों को जो छोटा फिगर है वो हमको पहले आइडेंटिफाई करना पड़ेगा. उसके बाद you have to count the number of triangles in this smallest figure. So how many triangles are there in this figure? It is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 5 बड़ा triangle जो है 6, 7, 8. So in this diagram, total 8 triangles are there. Now you have to identify this. ये जो smallest part है ना, वो कितने टाइम रिपीट हुआ है इस बड़ा वाला फिगर में. ये smallest part कितने टाइम रिपीट हुआ है? Just count 1, 2, 3, 4. ये जो बड़ा वाला triangle है उसमें भी ये इस part रिपीट हुआ है 5 and this one 6. So total 6 times this part is repeated. In one part 8 triangles are there, so in 6 part total 48 triangles are there. So the answer is 48. So in this figure, total 48 triangles are there. So when you count the triangles, the method is first you have to identify the smallest figure by which the bigger figure is formed. So after identifying the smallest figure, count the number of triangles. Then that number of triangles will be multiplied with the number of repetition. Because 6 times repetition is there, this figure is repeated 6 times. So 8 into 6, 48 is the answer. Okay. So in figure counting, 3 types of counting are there. One is rectangle, another one is square, and another one is triangle. So today we have covered 3 chapters. One is odd one out, another one is logical arrangement, and the last one is figure count. Okay. So all the chapters, 3 chapters we have covered. Now you have to practice at home, and if you have any doubt in any one of these, you just clarify with me. Okay. Thank you very much.